Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is large numbers. So our next topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals, we already know that the Roman is used different system of writing numbers. They use the following 7 letter of alphabet to write the all numerals. So here symbol is given. I means 1, we know that. B means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. And there is three rules are there. According to rule IXCM can be repeat three times, but cannot be repeat more than three times. With the help of this box we can write any number of any Roman number. Okay, IXCD can repeat three times but not more than three times. Any letter cannot be repeated more than three times in this system. And here VLD cannot be repeated anywhere. Okay, that is the second rule. And if right side letter is greater means we have to minus it. And for example CD, right side D is 500, C is 100. If right side letter are greater means we have to minus opposite. Okay, if DC means if right side is smaller means we have to add in between here. D means 500, C means 100. Okay, so 600. Here CD means D is 500, C is 100. Okay, 400. Okay, if right side letter are greater means we have to minus. If greater means opposite, minus it. If right side letter is smaller means we have to add it. 500 plus 100 is 600. Okay, D is 500, so right side is greater means greater than left side, so 500 minus 100 is this is 400. Okay, that's right. Roman numerals are numerals system that originate in ancient Rome. Number in this system uses letters from the Latin alphabet, and there is no zeros in the Roman system. An important difference between the decimal system and Indo-Arabic system. Indo-Arabic system is what we generally use, and the Roman system does not use place value. Means in an Indian system or international system we have a place value of the number. Means Indian system we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, and in international system ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, like that. But in a Roman system we does not use place value. We still use Roman numerals today in a special places like numbering important events such as Olympic Games and sometimes on clocks and books. How to remember this? Let's create some story to remember this well children. There is one trick is there. The trick is say the connecting unknown things with the known things. This is unknown numbers, unknown things, and connecting unknown things with the known things, similar to creating story type. Okay, now let's create a story or make a story to understand betterly. You can create your own story. Okay, related to this. Connect the connect unknown things with known things. Now we have to remember this. How to remember? I am creating a story here. I and five friends booked XL size of dresses. This is related to online shopping, children. I and five members, five friends booked XL size of 10 to 50 dresses. 10 to 50 dresses. Cash on delivery. Cost is 100 rupees shipping charges, transport charges, and 500 rupees the cost. But after delivery we received medium size. What we booked XL size dress, but we received medium size dress. The cost is 1000 rupees. Okay children, so here INV 5 or 15 members booked XL size dress of 10 to 50 numbers, 10 to 50 dresses. Cost 10 to 50 dresses on cash on delivery. 100 rupees is the shipping charges and 500 is per dress cost. But after delivery we received medium size dress of 1000 rupees. This is what the online shopping experience. This story to just to understand. So without now with the help of that story we will write the values. I and V, this is 15 or 5 members. Okay, I and V of 15, 15 we can say, or 5 members. I and V 15, we booked XL size dresses. I and V 5 members of booked XL size dress of 10 to 50 numbers. We booked XL size of 10, 9, 50 extra, 10 separately and 50 separately. Okay, I and V booked XL size dress of 10 to 50. Payment is cash on delivery. Cash on delivery, 100 rupees is shipping charges, 500 rupees is one dress cost. Okay, I and V booked 15 dresses, XL size of, or one dresses or five dresses also we can make. I and V booked 5 friends, booked XL size of 10 to 15 numbers of dresses, cash on delivery, 100 rupees shipping charges, 500 is a dress cost. But after delivery, what we received? Medium size dress of 1000 rupees cost. Understand? So here I means value is 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100 century, D means dress cost is 500, but we received after delivery we received 1000 rupees dress of medium size. So here one more thing you can observe here, children. Here 1 5, first number is 1, second number is 5, again 1 5 1 5 1 5. Okay, like that, 1 5 1 5 1 5 difference. Here no 0, here also no 0. So here then again 1 is repeating with the 1 0, again 5 is repeating, this 5 is repeating with the 1 0, and again 1 is repeating with 2 0, again 5 is repeating with 2 0, again 1 is repeating with 3 zeros. Okay, 1 5 they are repeating in each cases. Okay, 1 again here with the 1 0, and 5 also with 1 0, here again 1 with the 2 0, 5 with the 2 0, again 1 with the 3 0. Or with the help of story we can say that I and V of 5 members booked XL size of dress of 10 and 50 separately, separated dress, cash on delivery, 100 rupees is the shipping charges century, and one dress amount is 500, but after delivery we received 1000 rupees of 1000 rupees of medium size dress. This is what the online shopping story. Now there is a 3 rules are there. You already know that. Numerals IXCM can be repeated at least 3 times. Okay, repeat these numerals means addition. X is repeating, and we can repeat the any letters 3 times, but not more than 3 times. XC also can repeat 3 times. M also 2 times or 2 times, but not more than 3 times. And other letters we cannot repeat. V and other letter we cannot, other than these letters we cannot repeat. And smaller numerals written in the right of numerals, for example VII, these are smaller, means numerals are smaller, means we are adding to the given number. So 5 plus 2, here also I is 1 smaller than X. If smaller value is right side, means we have to add. Here X is smaller than L is 50, so we have to add together. L is 50, lowest price number, X is 10, 50 plus 10. M is 1000. No, medium size dress we received with the cost of 1000, or we can say Mr. Bean 1000. And C is century, 1000 plus 100, because right side letters are smaller, means we have to add. And the third rule means if right side letter are greater, means we have to minus, opposite. Okay, if right side is greater, means we have to minus. If right side number is smaller, means we have to add it. So here I and V, by comparing I and V, V is greater than I. No, I means 1, V means 5. So 5 minus 1. So here X and C is century 100, X is 10. So if right side is greater, means we have to minus it, 100 minus 10. D, dress cost is 500, so D value is 500, 5 minus C century means 100. 500 minus 100 is 400. M, CM, look at here, CM is 900. Value of the CM is 900, and we get sometimes some places MD, CM and CM. Now CM, M is 1000. Mr. Bean 1000, okay, and C is century. 1000 minus 100 is 900. Okay, M is greater than C. So when right side, this is in right side. Okay, right side when first start unit place number. Okay, right side is greater, means we have to add. When right side letters are smaller, means we have to minus it. That is the third rule. And right side number are smaller, means we have to minus. This is third one. And which number are repeating? I, X, C, M are repeating 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay, and other remaining letters never repeat.